In this video, let's talk about the execution logs. When a flow run doesn't behave the way you expect, the first questions are always the same. Which records were processed, which ones failed or were ignored, and exactly where did a specific record break down? Execution logs are designed to answer those questions quickly, without guesswork. Execution logs start at the flow level. In your flow's run history, you'll see a new run logs entry for each run. This lets you open a run and view what happened at the record level run by run. Inside a run, you can see the records processed and their status at each step of the flow. A record can move through multiple steps, exports, lookups, and imports, and you can immediately see whether it succeeded, failed, or was ignored. When you need to troubleshoot a specific record, open the TraceView. This gives you the record's execution path across the flow in sequence so you can pinpoint where the outcome has changed. Execution logs support multiple log modes. You can balance visibility with how much data you store and review. Basic logging is best when you need quick answers like did this record run or which step did it reach. You'll see the high level execution context focused on the external calls. Detail logging is ideal when you need to validate payloads, request and response details for the external calls so you can diagnose issues without forcing errors just to see the data. Debug logging is best when you're actively building or troubleshooting a flow and need deeper visibility into external touchpoints. Touchpoints like pre-save page hook, result mapping, branching, input filters, and mapping. This is done so you can see both the input and output at each of these troubleshooting steps. In practice, teams often start with basic to confirm what happened with the record, and then move to detailed when they would like the payload level evidence, and switch to debug when they need to understand how the flow's internal logic transformed or filtered a record. Execution logs make it easier to trace what happened in a run down to the individual record and choose the right level of detail for the situation.